Hello and welcome to the calculator guide video on mean and standard deviation from a frequency table on a Casio fx-CG100. Here we have the frequency table showing the number of pets. We're going to input this frequency table into the calculator and then find the mean, the standard deviation and other summary statistics. From home, select statistics. We're prompted to input lists. In the first list, we're going to input the X variable, in this case, the number of pets. We'll input that here from 0 to 4. Return to the top of list 2 and we're going to use this as our frequency column, so input the relevant frequencies. Once that's completed, we'll page right for setup and we want to select option 1, calculate summary statistics. We just need to make a slight alteration from the default settings here. The calculator is using list 1 as our X variable, which is correct, but it has automatically assigned a frequency of 1 to each of those values. We need to change that to list 2 so the calculator recognises to use list 2 for the frequency. 2 for list and then list 2. And page right for results. And here we have the results. At the top there, X bar is the mean, 1.41 and so on. Sum of X and sum of X squared, and then the standard deviation there. We've got two examples, sigma X 1.155 and SX for the sample deviation of 1.163 and so on. N is the number of values, and if we page down, we can also see values for quarter 1, the median and quarter 3, as well as the minimum and maximum value, and the mode, which is 1, and the number of times that occurs, which is 27. The second example here, in this case, we have a group frequency table with class widths. So I'm going to page left twice the list editor, AC and delete all the lists to delete the previous frequency table. And we're going to input the X values into list 1, which in this case is W for weight. And because we've got a group, we're going to estimate the mean and standard deviation by using the midpoints of these classes, 2.5, 7.5 and so on. If you're not sure what the midpoint is, you can actually perform a calculation with the list. I'll give you the example here with the last one. 20 plus 25 divided by 2 will find the midpoint of that class interval, 22.5. If you are unsure, there's no reason to exit the statistics app and the list. You can do that calculation within each list cell. Return to list 2, and once again, that's going to be the frequency. Page right for setup. And now from the previous example, we've already got the frequency column set up for list 2. Page right for results. And here we have the estimate of the mean because we have used the midpoints, 12.25. An estimate of the sum of X and sum of X squared, as well as an estimate of the standard deviations there. You also have the estimate of the quartiles and the median. Bear in mind, this is just strictly using the midpoints. There are other methods such as linear interpolation that can give you a more accurate estimate of the quartiles and the median. And once again, the mode is also an estimate based on the midpoints. There we go, how we can find mean, standard deviation and other summary statistics from a grouped frequency table on the Casio fx-CG100. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos, but that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you next time on the Calculator Guide.